So you've written a book and you're ready to make some money? Fantastic! But where should you publish it? The platform you choose can make or break your success. Today we're doing a deep dive into the big players, Amazon KDP, Google Play Books, and IngramSpark, plus a few others, so you can build a winning strategy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platforms fit your goals and how to use them to maximize your income. Let's get started. First up, the undisputed giant, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. If you want to reach the largest possible audience, this is your starting point. A staggering 87% of indie authors in 2024 cited Amazon as their #1 source of revenue. Why? Because millions of readers are already shopping there every single day. One of KDP's biggest draws is that it's completely free and easy to set up. You can upload your manuscript, design a cover, and have your book live on Amazon's global marketplace in about 72 hours. There are no upfront costs, which is a massive win for new authors. And let's talk royalties. For ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99, KDP offers a generous 70% royalty. For paperbacks, you get 60% minus the printing costs, which are very competitive. This is how authors like Rupi Kaur and L.J. Ross became self-publishing millionaires, by leveraging Amazon's massive reach and favorable royalty structure. KDP also has powerful promotional tools. If you enroll your ebook in KDP Select, you get access to Kindle Unlimited, where readers can borrow your book. This is an incredible way to get discovered. KDP Select also lets you run free book promotions or Kindle countdown deals to create buzz and climb the sales charts. It does require your ebook to be exclusive to Amazon for 90 days, but for many, the visibility is worth it. The KDP dashboard is super user-friendly with real-time sales reports that let you track your earnings. You can also run Amazon ads directly from your dashboard, targeting readers who are searching for books just like yours. Plus, through Amazon's sister company, Axe, you can easily turn your book into an audiobook and link it to your KDP listing, opening up another income stream. But KDP isn't perfect. Its print options are somewhat limited. You can't print hardcovers with dust jackets, and the trim size options are fewer than some competitors. Also, if you use KDP's free ISBN, Amazon is listed as the publisher, which some authors prefer to avoid. The biggest limitation: distribution. While KDP offers expanded distribution, most physical bookstores simply will not order KDP printed books. KDP is king on Amazon, but it doesn't really get you into brick-and-mortar stores. Next, let's talk about a platform that's often overlooked but has huge potential: Google Play Books. If you want true global reach, especially in markets dominated by Android, Google is your secret weapon. Google Play Books is available in 75 countries that sway more than Amazon. In places like India and parts of Europe, Android is the dominant operating system, meaning billions of devices have the Google Play Store pre-installed. Just like KDP, publishing on Google Play is free, and the royalties are great, a flat 70% on ebooks, regardless of the price. Even better, Google doesn't charge delivery fees for large files, which can sometimes eat into your royalties on other platforms. This means more money in your pocket for each sale. But here's where Google really shines: SEO. When you publish on Google Play, your book is automatically indexed in Google Books with a generous preview. This means your book's content becomes searchable on Google. Readers looking for topics you've written about can discover your book directly through a Google search. That's powerful free marketing you just can't get anywhere else. Google also makes promotions incredibly easy. You can set your book to be free or offer a discount at any time, without the strict scheduling of Amazon's promotions. This flexibility is perfect for running flash sales or making the first book in a series permanently free to attract new readers. Now, it's true that Google Play's market share in the US is small compared to Amazon. You probably won't see blockbuster sales from Google alone, but think of it this way: it costs you nothing to be there. Every sale you make is extra income from an audience you would have otherwise missed. If you're not exclusive to Amazon, there is absolutely no reason not to have your books on Google Play. Alright, so you've conquered the online giants, but what about getting your book into physical bookstores and libraries? That's where our third platform, IngramSpark, comes in. IngramSpark is not a retailer. It's a distributor. It's the bridge that connects your self-published book to over 45,000 retailers and libraries worldwide. If you've ever dreamed of seeing your book on a shelf at your local bookstore, you need IngramSpark. Here's why. Bookstores and libraries order their books from the Ingram catalog. While they typically won't order a KDP printed book, they order from Ingram every single day. By listing your book with IngramSpark, you make it available to them through their normal workflow. IngramSpark also offers far superior print quality and options. You can print beautiful hardcovers with dust jackets, choose from a wide variety of trim sizes, and even print in full color. This is essential for children's books, photo books, or any project where quality is paramount. Libraries often prefer durable hardcovers, so offering one through IngramSpark can significantly increase your chances of being acquired. Another key advantage is global printing. IngramSpark has print facilities in the US, UK, and Australia, and partners all over the world. This means if someone in another country orders your book, it's printed closer to them, resulting in faster and cheaper shipping. With IngramSpark, you are in complete control. You use your own ISBN, which means you are the publisher. You set the wholesale discount typically between 40 to 55%, which is what incentivizes bookstores to stock your book. You can also decide whether to allow returns, another factor that makes retailers more willing to take a chance on an indie author. Now, IngramSpark isn't free. There's a setup fee of about $49 per title, and revision fees if you need to update your files. The royalties are also lower than KDP, usually around 40% after the distributor and printer take their cuts. But for serious authors who want to build a brand beyond Amazon, it is an essential investment. So how do you put this all together? The smartest authors use a hybrid approach. They publish their paperback and ebook on KDP to maximize sales on Amazon. Then they publish the same paperback and a hardcover version on IngramSpark to reach all other bookstores, libraries, and online retailers. The key is to use your own ISBN for both platforms and to make sure you turn off KDP's expanded distribution to avoid any conflicts. This way, you get the best of both worlds, KDP's high royalties and reach on Amazon, and IngramSpark's access to the entire global book trade. Beyond these three, there are other platforms worth knowing. Aggregators like Draft2 Digital and Smashwords will take your ebook and distribute it to a dozen smaller stores like Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, and Kobo for a small cut of the sales. This is a simple way to go wide without having to manage multiple accounts. Platforms like Barnes & Noble Press let you publish directly to their store, and acts as the go-to for creating and distributing audiobooks on Audible. The key takeaway is that you don't have to choose just one platform. A smart publishing strategy involves using multiple channels to meet readers wherever they are. By combining the power of Amazon KDP for its massive audience, Google Play for its global reach and SEO benefits, and then with IngramSpark for its access to physical bookstores and libraries, you can build a diversified and resilient author business. I hope this breakdown helps you chart your path to publishing success. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.